Experiencing data issues with your Boost Mobile service can be frustrating. Let's address the most common causes and solutions with a systematic approach. First, ensure your mobile or cellular data is turned on, and check your data usage via the Boost mobile app to confirm you haven't exceeded your plan's limits. Also, make sure your phone's software is up to date and clear your browser's cache and history. Try these basic troubleshooting steps. Restart your phone, toggle airplane mode on and off, and remove and reinsert your SIM card. These simple steps resolve many connectivity issues. A loose or faulty SIM card can cause data connectivity issues. Remove and reinsert your SIM card carefully to ensure it's properly seated in the tray. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, the next most common issue is incorrect APN settings. APN stands for Access Point Name, and these settings are crucial for connecting to Boost Mobile's network. For Android devices, navigate to Settings, then Network and Internet or Connections, then Mobile Networks or SIMs, and finally Access Point Names. The exact path may vary depending on your phone model. On iPhones, go to Settings, then Cellular or Mobile Service, then Cellular Data Options, and finally Cellular Data Network or Mobile Data Network. Verify your APN settings against these correct values provided by Boost Mobile. The most important setting is the APN name, which should be boost.data. For the Dish Wireless network, use these different APN settings. The APN should be wirelessdish.com with MCC 310 and MNC 260. If you're unsure about the correct settings, you can reset your APN settings to default. This will allow your carrier to configure them automatically, which often resolves connectivity issues. When APN settings are correct, but data still isn't working, the next step is performing a network reset. This refreshes your device's connection to Boost Mobile's network. After the network reset, your device will restore all network connections to their default configurations. You'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi networks and repair Bluetooth devices. Android users can download the Boost Config app from the Google Play Store to ensure all network settings are current and properly configured. Given Boost Mobile's transition to AT&T's network infrastructure, potential outages can occur. Always check the Boost Mobile website or contact customer support to verify if there are any reported outages in your area. As a mobile virtual network operator, Boost Mobile may deprioritize data speeds during peak network congestion. This means slower speeds when many people are using the network simultaneously. A loose or faulty SIM card can cause data connectivity issues. Consider updating your SIM card if it's outdated, as newer SIM cards support better network features. Weak cellular signals, especially indoors or in rural areas, can prevent proper data access. Check your preferred network mode settings and switch to the best available option for your location. Use the Boost Zone app for device diagnostics and to update your data profile. This app provides comprehensive tools for managing your Boost Mobile service. Finally, ensure your account is in good standing and not suspended for non-payment. Check your account status online or through the Boost Mobile app. If problems persist after trying these solutions, contact Boost Mobile Customer Care for personalized assistance.